The Deere Agency specializes in helping you understand your coverage before you need it. We offer all lines of personal and commercial insurance, including auto, home, and life. Contact Don Deere at 210-507-2169 and visit us at 7529 North Loop 1604 in Live Oak, Texas, or farmersagent.com/ddeere.
Hey, welcome to Eye on Refocus Radio. We are here once again with the one and only Don Deere, Farmers Insurance. I mean, anything you need for life, home, and auto. She knows what you need because she is willing to talk to you and find out where you are in life. So without further ado, I want to welcome Miss Don Deere and say, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, Shemaya. How are you today?
Man, we're doing great. And we have two things we're going to talk about today. We're going to be talking about Legal Shield and ID Shield. So first and foremost, what is Legal Shield?
What we do here is we really get to know the customer. We ask a lot of questions to get to know their entire net worth and how to protect them. And a lot of times there is a need for a Legal Shield service. We partnered up with Legal Shield and ID Shield. And what we've done is we're able to offer these services within our agency. On the Legal Shield side, a couple different things that really help my customers is if you're a member of Legal Shield, you will get a free will of testament prepared for every adult in the household. You can also have that will of testament revised once a year. So when we're having those conversations regarding home, auto, life insurance, obviously a will of testament is something that does come up in conversation, and most people do not have that prepared.
And when it comes to the first step an individual needs to take when they set an appointment with you to talk about Legal Shield, what's one thing that they can expect when the conversation is over?
They can expect is that we're going to protect them wholeheartedly. We're going to protect them 100% versus just taking care of their home and auto. Now, with the Legal Shield, I want to mention that you have an attorney firm at the palm of your hand. You can literally download the Legal Shield app on your cell phone. If you get a speeding ticket, because we all know sometimes that happens, They will go ahead and help address that speeding ticket and try their best to keep that off your record. So that will allow us to not have to increase your premium at renewal. You can upload that speeding ticket directly on the apps from your cell phone, and an attorney will call you within 4 hours to address that. As far as the ID Shield, what you'll find out from us in having an appointment to discuss these services is we do help monitor all three credit bureaus. Not all ID Shields will do that, and this one does. Another thing I want to point out is young children. Young children are a huge target and very often a victim of identity theft. The reason that is because a lot of companies won't let you check the child's credit until they're a certain age. And who does that? Who's going to think that the child has any credit problems because they obviously don't own anything? We had an instance where a 4-year-old child, come to find out, had a $300,000 mortgage, and they were defaulting in that. So you can imagine how horrible that would be for the parents to find that out, and then for the child later on in life when they're trying to establish their self, find out that somebody out there was using their identity to purchase a $300,000 home.
What you don't know, and that can hurt you. So for someone listening right now, and they know two things that they need Legal Shield and they need ID Shield yesterday. So if they want to act right now, how can they contact you to set up an appointment? Please
give us a call at 210-507-2169. That's 210-507-2169. We'll be happy to set up an appointment to meet with you face-to-face or talk with you over the phone, whichever is more convenient, especially with COVID-19 going around. We want to make sure that we're safe. But my office is open with the normal CDC guidelines. Mask is required as per the Bexar County rules as of right now. But we are willing to help, and you can also look at my Legal Shield website. It's going to be ddeer.wearelegalshield.com to get a little bit more information. That's ddeer, D-E-A-R, .wearelegalshield.com.
And you also go to their Facebook page, Farmers Insurance, the Deere Agency. Make sure you check out Don Deere and what she's doing in the community, because I don't know how they sleep. Every time I see a post, they're somewhere active doing something for somebody.
We We love it. I mean, that's one of the reasons me and my husband opened this agency almost now 3 years ago. We're coming up on our 3-year anniversary, which is exciting. But, working for corporate America back in the day, I'm very limited on how I could give back to the community and what I can do and what I can't do. Here, I make all the decisions. So if there's any communities out there that are looking for support, whether it's to volunteer or donations, please don't hesitate to give me a call at 210-507-2169. We'll be more than happy to speak with you and find out what your organization's looking for and how we can help.
So once again, you want to call that office number, 210-507-2169. Don Deere, real quick, someone who's sitting the way back and wasn't paying attention, how can they find out more information on the Legal Shield and ID Shield? What's the website again? My
website for Legal Shield will be ddeer.wearelegalshield.com. That's ddeer.wearelegalshield.com.
Don Deere, the amazing person that you need to know, because in Live Oak, Texas, she's helping so many people. Once again, that's Farmers Insurance, Don Deere. She is doing great things in Texas, and specifically Live Oak. So once again, Don Deere, I want to say thank you for taking time in your busy schedule for talking to Iron Refocus Radio.
No problem, Shemai. Right back at you. We appreciate everything you do for the community as well.
You have a great day, man.
You too, sir. We'll talk to you next month.